Okay, so hello guys, we're gonna be showing this really cool game. It's called Bluxburg, and I'm gonna show you what like what's the game about. So when you enter, this is basically the like this is basically the entrance. So you're gonna click play, and then you're gonna click, if you like in the beginning, it's gonna show you a house. So I named my house the pink house. I don't know why. And when you enter, it's loading, but that's me. Let me just there. And like they're gonna give you like money, so they gave me 200 claim reward. I have 900. And then right here it shows you the day and the time. So it's Sunday, and then it's 8:05. So that's my house. It's not that that cool, but I'll get it better. So this is my house, and then here, as you can see, this is my neighborhood. There's my neighbor, I think. Wow, he has. Let's just see his house or her. Wow. I don't want to show her this. So this is her house, and as you can see, if I wanna go to work, or I don't know, like to work or go whatever the thing is, but this game is about like if you were in real life. For example, just go to my house and enter into my house. I decorated this like this, and I had no grass. I think I'm gonna put flowers and all that. And since I didn't save the game, I have some. Oh no, it's okay. I think my house is yep. I saw it somewhat, but yeah. That's in my house, and in here, if you click on the mail, it says you click on your keyboard the letter E, and then if you enter here, enter build mode. That's where you're gonna see your house, how decorated. So if you click build, this is basically like to build doors, fences, fireplaces, floors, gardening, paths are this one, I think. Pillars, I don't know what these ones are. Pools, roof, stairs, vehicles, walls, windows. And if you click out, then I think it's gonna appear all these things. And then if you click decorate, that's like categories: beds, carpets, chairs, comfort, counters, curtains, decorations, electronics, instruments, kitchen, lighting, plumbing, pool items, storage, tables and training, vehicles and all. And if you click inventory, I think it says this is your personal inventory. Special items that you bought and collected are stored here. I don't know what that means, but that's if you click in the mail. That's one of the mails. If you click here and then you click something, it's gonna erase. I don't want to say erase. I'm not clicking. And if you click here, that's where you could paint your house. As you can see, you could paint your house. I don't know if you could paint a tree. Okay. That's to paint your house and to paint these things too. So we're done with that. And then if you click again, when you have to pay your bills, you'll see. If you click here, manage permissions, how can you say how much other person can do? Oh, that's like, I think that you could choose, I think. I don't know how to do this, but let's not get into it. I don't know. I don't want. And again, if you throw party, like it says I'm bored. Like I'll show you this right now. Throw party. Are you sure you want to throw a party? Everyone in the server will be invited. Like in here, all these if you click throw party and you click yes, then the notification is gonna be to all the people that are in the game. And if they wanna come, they'll wanna come. But, I don't think, because I'm doing a YouTube video, so I don't know. You can't do nothing with this trash. As you can see, everyone has it. Has this. And let's enter. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? See? Oh my. This happens if you don't save your game. Like, I didn't even have this. But oh well. It's like, I don't know what to do. I didn't have this grass. This is like really horrible. Like, oh my god. I can't believe this. I cannot believe this. Well, as you can see, I have grass when I'm not supposed to have grass. I'll put grass. Oh my god. No. This is a living room. I think I'm going to fix this because I didn't have this. Like, this is like really. And my sister said if you don't save the game, it's gonna like, oh my god, that's really like, oh my god. Oh, no, the door's okay there. Yeah. Decorate, let me see. Where's the floor? I don't see it. Oh my god. Oh, carpets, I think. Oh no, that's not for decorate. Bed, carpet, chairs, comfort, I think it's in build. Roof, doors. Yeah, now I can't find it. Doors, fences, fireplaces, floor. Oh my god, I didn't know. What? Okay. Like, this is really bad. There. There. Then we'll have to go to my room and yep. This is really like, right. Oh, this is too bad. There. I can't believe this. Let's see if we have money for the restroom. Because I don't have that much money, but see, someone sent me a friend request and accepted. It's really hard. Let me see. I bought it, so I'm not good. Finally, let me see if I have my. Yup. Oh my god, that was like really, really bad. I can't believe it, but I put some floor in the house, so this is on my. I think I need to erase this, but I'm gonna leave it like that because this could like pull apart the living room with the library. So I had 2 beds like right there, but I asked my sister what happened because I didn't save no more. So I think the living room is okay. So later on, I'm gonna put beds right here. Like if it hurts. So yeah, let's see in here. Like you could do anything. Like in here, you could take ingredients. Like how you've been cooking, like cooking ingredients like that. I could cook hot dogs, pancakes, or tacos. And you take it, and then it's just, and then in here it's gonna tell you like if you're hungry, how much fun do you have, your energy, and then your hygiene. So I think I need to eat. I'm gonna take these tacos, and eat. So I'm gonna get this out. So looks like I need to do both, like other one. Place tacos. Let me write. Take portion. Yeah, I take one taco. Let me see the comments. Maybe someone's talking to me and I'm not paying attention. So yep, make tacos. I think I'm okay from food. Yep. Now I need to have fun. Which first I'm gonna shower and brush my teeth. Clothes. It's all great. Like when I get more money, I'm gonna paint all my house. But right now, no. So right there, I'm showering, really like getting me clean. It gives me a little bit of energy too, as you can see. Well, the comments are really like, they don't even know I'm making a YouTube. I have 11 minutes. I'm gonna have to hurry up. So yeah, my hygiene. Now I need to get energy, and then for that, I'm gonna go and sleep. This is my room, and I'm sleeping. So there, first I'm gonna go and to the bar. I think the bar. So yeah. So I have these three ready, and then if you wanna buy it like Boost Mood, I think it costed 25 of these, which I don't have. Click to buy more. No, I don't know how if it costed. So there I have 100% of energy. Now we're gonna go out to the city.